Sai Ram class, how are you all? I hope that you all are very fine. Today we will start our new chapter, chapter number 9, halves and quarters. As you all know that halves means plural of half. Okay? If we have a thing and we divide it into two equal parts, then the both parts known as the half of that thing. That means this is half part and this is also the half part of this whole square or box. Now what is quarter? So quarter means half of half. Means if we have a chapati and we divide it into 4 equal parts, then each part is called or known as the quarter part of the whole chapati. Okay? So let's start our chapter and we will know about halves and quarters more clearly. So in this chapter, we have a story about Mintu cat and Motu cat. Now they both are good friends and once they stole a chapati from Malini's kitchen. Now they are quarreling about who will take the chapati and how can they divide the chapati equally in between them. Suddenly, when they are quarreling, Titu monkey arrived and he said, "Why are you quarreling?" So they explained him about they don't know how to divide this chapati between them. So the Titu monkey said, "Okay, don't worry. I will divide the chapati equally for both of you." And then clever Titu divide the chapati like this. You can see how Titu divided chapati. So you can easily see that this part is smaller than this one. So actually Titu did not divide it equally. So the cat said, "They are not equal. The left part is bigger and the right one is smaller." Mintu and Motu are not happy or satisfied with this division. So Titu said, "Okay, no problem. I will make it equal." And then Titu cut the part of the left piece and ate it. Now he cut a part from left one and ate that part. Now see, this is how he did it. Now we can easily see that left part is smaller than the right one. Now again the division is not equal. Oh no, the right part is bigger now. The cat cried. Then Titu said, "I'm sorry." Then he cut a part from the bigger piece and ate it. Then there was only a small piece remaining and he said, "This is the share for my work." And he ate it quite quickly and climbed to the tree. So that means the clever Titu monkey just eat all the chapati and Mintu and Motu remain hungry. So that means we should know how we can divide a thing into two equal parts. So let's see. Half half means how we can half a thing. Here we have a chapati. So they are asking, if the cat asks you to divide the chapati equally, how will you divide it? Think, how will you divide it? Yes, first we try to overlap the half part of the chapati to the another part exactly, and then from the portion we will cut it from the line where it overlap from one part to the another one. We cut the chapati and we get two equal parts. You can see here in this picture we have two exactly equal parts. Okay, so we do not have to cheat and we have to divide a chapati into two equal parts. Now what is half of half? So if there will two more cats, means Mintu, Motu and two more cats, means total we have 4 cats, and we have to divide the chapati into 4 equal parts. So what we will do? We will take chapati and cut it in exactly 2 equal parts and then cut each half part into 2 equal parts. So we will have 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts, which we call quarter part. Now you can see here each of them caught quarter of the chapati. Okay, you can also see here we have 2 equal parts of a chapati. Then we cut the first part in exact half and also the other part in exact half. Then we will have 1, 2, 3 and 4 equal parts, and each equal part is called the quarter of the chapati. Okay, means half, and half of half is known as quarter. Half of half is known as quarter. Okay, keep in mind. Now we have to learn how we can represent half in numbers. So we all know that half could be write as 1 upon 2. So how we can write half of half? So half of half, that means this is our half, and half of half will write as half multiplied with half, which is equals to 1 upon 4. So that means 1 upon 4 is the numerical representation for quarter. This is our half and this is our quarter. Okay, keep in mind that half is represent as 1 upon 2 and quarter as 1 upon 4. Okay, now let's move on to the next activity. Now half of many pieces. See, there is a chocolate bar. Okay, so Rani got a chocolate. She divided it equally and gave half to her friend. Now you can see here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces in that chocolate bar, and Rani divided into 2 equal parts. That means the first half and this is the second half. Now we have to circle the portion that Reena got. So we all know that Rani gave half to her friend Reena. So we have to circle the half part of this chocolate. So this is the half of that chocolate. Now let's see what is the further question. So now we have to answer how many pieces of chocolate are there. So we know that there are 6 pieces of chocolate, and how many pieces were left with Reena. So you can see here we have total 6 pieces, and out of half Rani gave to Reena. So how much Rani had left? So that means 6 by 2. We have to divide 6 by 2, which is equals to 3. So that means 3 pieces are left to Rani. Okay. So the answer is 3 pieces. You can see the answer here. This is the way we divide the chocolate into half portion, and then total we have 6 pieces, and then Rani had left only 3 pieces with her. Now after this we have an activity which you have to do yourself. What you have to do in this activity, you have to take a paper and you have to cut the sheet into 2 equal triangles. Suppose you have this piece of paper, so what you will do, you will cut it like this diagonally. Then you will have 1 and 2 triangles. Okay, now we have to cut it such that each triangle is equal to half of the sheet. So when you cut this way, then you will get 2 equal triangles. Okay, now you have to shade both the triangle with different colors. As you can see, we have 2 pieces, both as triangle, and one is colored in orange and other in green. Now we have to draw different shapes. We have to make different shapes by using these triangles. As you can see, one is done for you. So this is your activity based question. You have to make as many figure or shape you can make. For example, if you place 2 triangles like this, one like this and another like this. Okay, this is one more shape you can make using these 2 pieces of triangle. So this is the way you have to make different shape using these 2 triangles. Now after this, many ways to cut into half. That means we can cut a piece of paper in exactly 2 equal parts in so many ways. So our next activity is based on the same thing. Now we have given 5 pieces of paper and we have to cut it in 2 equal parts by 5 different ways. Okay, so the first is like this. Okay, from exactly between. Second is vertically. This is our horizontally. This is our this is our vertically. This is our horizontally. Then diagonally. Then from another diagonal. And the 5th way is, you can see here, one way is done for you which is quite different than the simple ways. Here that boy did such a zigzag line in that given piece of paper in such a way that this part is exactly equal to this part. Then he cut the paper from this zigzag line and he got 2 equal parts. So similarly we can do in this question also. So let's have a look here. This is the way we divide the 5 given piece of paper in 2 equal parts using 5 different ways. The first, the second, third, fourth, and the 5th we can use the way that boy used. Okay. Now in next question is about quarter. Now we all know that 1/4 represent as quarter. Okay, means quarter can be represented as 1/4. So here in this piece of paper, he did a vertical line and then 2 diagonal line in each 2 equal parts, and he get 4 equal parts for this piece of paper. And similarly, we have to use 5 different ways to divide a piece of paper into 4 equal parts. So let's see how we can do it. So this is our piece of papers. First, we draw a vertical line, then a horizontal line to get 4 equal piece of paper. Then we draw 2 diagonals and we get 4 equal piece of paper. Then we cut it into exactly half. Then in both the exact half, we cut them from their half, and we get 4 equal parts of this piece of paper. In another one, we make a horizontal line and it divides into 2 equal parts. Then in each 2 equal parts we make diagonal and we get 4 equal parts, means quarter of this piece of paper, and this is the way used by the boy in above piece of paper. So that means this is a way we can divide a piece of paper into 4 equal parts, means into its quarter parts. Okay. Now let's see what is our next activity. See, we will do quarter and half activity in today's class so that you will be very clear about half and quarter. Now again we have an activity related to half and quarter, which is cutting the cake. Now Rajni's father brought a cake. She divided the cake into 4 equal parts for herself, for her brother, for her father and for her mother. Okay. Now we have to color each share with different colors. So you can see here, this is our cake. Okay. And we color it with the color favorite to Rajni, means Rajni's favorite color. Then we color the second part with the favorite color of Raju, who is Rajni's brother. Then favorite color of father, and then favorite color of mother. After this, how much does each get? We have to answer. So we all know that if we have a whole, means if we have a cake and we divide it into 4 equal parts, so each one will get the quarter part. Okay, each one will get the quarter part of that cake, which is 1/4. Now the next question is, mother gave her share of cake to Rajni. Means if it is Rajni's share and it is mother's share, so now Rajni have this much share of cake. Okay. Now we have to color the total part that Rajni will get. So you can see here, this is the part Rajni will get. Out of 4 parts, the next question is, out of 4 parts Rajni will get. If her mother gave her share to Rajni, then now Rajni will have 1/4 plus 1/4, means 1/4 share of her and 1/4 share of her mother. That means Rajni will have total half share of the cake. You can see here, quarter plus quarter will become half. So you have to keep in mind that when 2 quarters will add, it will become half. Okay. When 2 quarters will add, it will become half. Now which is equal to half of the cake? So we can write it as, so you can see here, we have 2/4. We have total 4 pieces, and out of 4, how many Rajni will get? 2. Okay. Out of 4 pieces, Rajni will get 2 pieces. So this is the share Rajni will have. And when we solve it, when we divide the numerator with 2 and denominator with 2, it will become 1/2, which means 2 quarter add to make a half. Okay, this is the same thing. Before Rajni's mother gave her share to Rajni, she had only 1/2 of cake, which was half of the total, 1/2 of half cake, means the half of half is 1/4. Okay, half of half is 1/4. We all know that half of half is quarter. Okay. Now we have to color the share Raju got. So Raju have only quarter. How much of the cake do Rajni and Raju together get? So you can see here, Rajni will get half share of cake and Raju will get quarter. Now you can see here, out of 4, how many is shaded? 3. So that means Rajni and Raju together get 3/4 of total cake. Okay, you can also see here. Together they will get 3 part out of 4, that is 3/4. Okay, I hope this activity is clear to you all. Let's have a look again. So we all know that each means Rajni divide the cake into 4 equal parts. That means each will get 1/4 part, which is quarter part of a cake. Then if her mother gave her share to Rajni, then Rajni will have 2 parts out of 4, and which we can write as 2 out of 4, which is equals to half. Now Rajni's mother gave her share to Rajni, and before that she only had half, and now at that time she had only half of half, means 1/4. Now we have to color how much share Raju have. Raju have only quarter share. Now they are asking us how much is Rajni's and Raju's share together. So it is 3 out of 4. Okay. Now let's move on to the activity based on quarter and half. So the first activity is, what part of the whole is colored? So you can see here, it is half part of the whole. So how we can write it? 1/2. And here we can see here, out of 4 part, 2 is colored, which we can write as 1/2. That means half. So the answer is half, and here also the answer is half. Now we have to color the part as given. So the first, in which we have to color 1 out of 2. So that means half. You can see here, this is the half of the whole. Now in this 3, 4. If we divide that circle in 4 equal parts, then out of 4 we have to color 3. So this is our shaded portion. Then we have 3 out of 4. So we have 4 equal parts. Out of them we have to color 3. Okay. Then 1 out of 4. So we have 4 equal parts. Out of them we have to color only 1. Then 1 out of 2. So first of all we have to divide it into 2 equal parts. So we can see here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. Okay. Means half of 6 is 3. So that means we have to color 3 bars. Now we have to color 3 out of 4. First we have to divide it into 4 equal parts. And then out of 4 we have to color 3. So this is the way we have to shade the given proportion. Okay class? Let's move on to the next. Cut in half. We have given 3 diagrams and we have to cut it 2 equal half parts. So for this, what we will do, we will cut this bird from here, we will cut this star from here, and we will cut this pumpkin from here. Then we cut it from here, it will be not equal. Okay. So this is the way we will cut all the given figures. You can have a look on the given answer. Okay, this is the way you have to do this. Okay class? See, this part can be done in 2 ways. This should be also shaded. Okay, so how you can do it? we divide it into 4 equal parts like this, and out of 4 you will shade 3. Okay, now let's move on to the next page, in which we have to color the exact half and 1/4 in this. So you can see here, for exact half we have to count all the given things first. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 circles. So out of 18 we have to color 9 circles, because half of 18 is 9. So we will circle them. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. And here we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. That means we have to circle 5 out of 10. On the other hand, we have to color quarter part. So quarter part means 1/4. So we have given 4. Out of them we will color only 1. Here also we have given 4. Out of them we will color only 1. Now see, in this case we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 pieces. So we have to divide 8 pieces into 4 equal parts. So first, second, third, fourth. And out of them we have to color only 1. So that means we have to color only 2 drops. Okay. Now the next is match the colored part. So let's see how we can do it. So first we have given half. Okay, it is half, and half we can represent in numerical as 1/2. Then we have 1/4. Only one part is colored out of 4, which is our quarter, and which we can represent in numerical as 1/4. Now the next is all the 4 part is colored out of 4. That means it is 1, which is known as whole. Whole means a complete, which we can represent as 4/4, which is equals to 1. Now the last one is 3 out of 4 is colored, which we termed as 3/4. You can see here, this is our first quarter, second quarter, third quarter. So we termed it as 3/4, and it will write as 3/4. Okay class? And the last question for today is, we have to make the another half for given figures. So this is your activity based question. You can do it yourself. Okay. And the next is, there is a quarter of a picture and we have to complete it. So that means it is only 1/4 part. So we have to complete it like this. So it will become our sun. Now the further question is, how many more quarter you have to make to complete it. So you can see here 1, 2 and 3. So we have to make 3 more quarters. Okay, you can see answer here. This is the other half part of the given diagrams, and this is our complete figure. So class, I hope you all get very well that what is half and how we can represent a half in numerical, what is quarter and how we can represent a quarter in numerical, and half of half is our quarter. Okay, that means we can also say that 2 quarters add to make a half. Okay, and you have to understand half and quarter more clearly. For this, you have to keep practice in your home. You have to read and watch this video again and again. All the activities we had done in today's class is your book activity. You have to do all of them in your book only. Okay class, we will do questions related to half and quarter in our next video. And we will also solve few questions related to halves and quarter, which you have to do in your notebook. Till then, thank you class.